Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to be attempting the chapter ratio. So let's get started. The question is 70 ratio 30. So we are going to divide this by 5. So we'll write 70 here, 5 here, 5 ones are 5 minus 1, 2 comes down, 0 comes down, that would be 25, 4s are 20, we'll minus the 20 with 20 and the answer would be 14. So 14 divided by, ratio we'll divide 30 with 5, so 5 would be here, 30 would be here. We'll write 6, so 6, 5, 6 are 30. The minus 0 comes down, so we'll write 6 here. So now we are going to divide 14 and 6 with 2. So 2 7s are 14 and 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Let's do another one. The question is 75 ratio 35. So we're going to 75 ratio 35. So we will divide 75 with 1 minute, sorry. We are going to divide 75 with 5. So we'll write 75 in and we'll write 1 minute. 5 here, 75 here, 5 ones are 5, minus 2 comes down, 5 comes down, 5 here, 5 5s are 25, minus 0 here. So we'll write 15 right here, 15 ratio 5 7s are 35. Now the final answer is 15 ratio 7. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing and send this to someone who needs it. And Allah Hafiz, see you next time. Jazakallah.